Hello, and thanks for joining us today. We're going to show you the MN01 serial integration with Paradox panels. When you buy this device from distribution, you should get everything you need in the box with the device. It comes with an antenna and the communicator itself. The mobile credentials and wiring instructions are below on the paperwork. This device is only 3 wires, one for the serial terminal of the panel, and the second 2 are for the key bus terminals. Now we have this device already in the can and the antenna is sitting on top. And this cable over here is connected to the serial terminal of the Paradox panel. The green and the yellow are connected to the key bus terminal of the alarm panel. This is all the wiring that you need to do. No additional programming, wiring, or anything else is needed. Your next step is to log onto the R-Control mobile application and sync with the panel. When you've started the synchronization process, you'll need to enter the installer code, either from the keypad of the panel or from the R-Control mobile application. You'll need to wait for a few seconds while the mobile application is reading the panel. Once this is completed, you'll see all the partitions and all the zones in the R-Control app. Now we'll go to the Settings tab, click on Labels, click on Zones, and we'll rename zone number 1. We'll put the label as Baby Room. Once we complete this, we'll go back to the main screen. We're going to do a refresh. We'll see that the zone number now has been renamed. We're going to bypass this zone. As a next step, we're going to go down to the program output of the panel and trigger PGM1. We see now that there is an LED connected to PGM1, which gives you a green light. As a next step, go back to the mobile application and we're going to arm the panel in stay mode. Additional video tutorials for this product and the mobile application are available on our YouTube channel.